Hi, I'm Melissa Diaz, a family and consumer science high school teacher in Santa Maria. I teach developmental child psychology and fashion and apparel construction as part of our fashion design and merchandising career technical education pathway. I originally planned to work in the fashion industry, but during my senior year of college, a professor suggested teaching, and now here I am, 30 years later, doing what I believe I was meant to do. In my classroom, students build both technical skills and personal confidence. Whether they're mastering the art of sewing, learning to solve problems, or presenting their work, I love seeing their pride when they complete challenging projects, especially when they never imagined they could. As an educator, you need a willingness to support students, no matter their skill level, and a deep understanding of the real challenges they face, both inside and outside of the classroom. It also takes technical know-how, creativity, organization, and patience, especially in the world of career technical education. If you're passionate about helping students grow and want a career where your work truly matters, education could be the place for you. There are pathways into teaching from many industries, including fashion, healthcare, construction, agriculture, and much more. Bringing your real-world experience into the classroom can inspire students to build a future they are proud of. Come join me and become a thread in a student's journey.
Across the county, schools are seeking incredible individuals to fill positions both in and outside of the classroom. We invite you to join the journey and launch your career in education today.